guys, this is Parker Newhook here, and we are going to be doing, well, not like doing some like the slime reviews that we always do, but well, not like store-bought or those kind of slimes. Today we're going to be, I'm going to be reviewing some of my slimes that I made because I'm going to start my own business soon, and it's where people can buy slimes off of it, and then you guys can buy it. I'll show you in the comment below what this website is when I have it, and show you my logo and stuff too. And we have 4 slimes right here, and I'm really excited to show these because I really wanted to have my own business, and I hope that it's successful, and I hope you guys think that too, because this is really fun for me. Sorry about that. Look at this. It's just my bearded dragon. I know I have a bearded dragon. That's really cool. I know I'm very lucky, but it's okay. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do is this slime right here. It's clear slime. I made this own logo myself. It's called Parker Slime Delight, and I'm gonna open it up. I didn't make the name for the slime yet. I know it's very loud with his name. So it comes with this little lollipop charm and some fishbowl beads that you can put inside of this clear slime. It's not a too stretchy slime because it's just like, well, it is stretchy, but it's not like completely stretchy. So if you want to like get it like unsticky, if you buy this, well not like unsticky, but it meant like stretchy again, you might have to add some like, I don't know, maybe some like glue and mix it around to fix it. But don't worry, this is away my rough one. I need to perfect it. I'm trying to perfect it, and when you add it, it looks like a really cool slime. Okay, and that was one of them. I really like that. I have a bunch of charms. Here, if you don't like the noise, just forget it, okay? Just forget that noise what my bearded dragon is making. Stop it, Rosie, stop. Stop it. Oh, and her name is Rosie. Okay, so my next slime we have is this yellow slime. It comes with some foam beads, and it's a pretty stretchy slime, but it's mostly just for like clicks and stuff. And it comes with it comes with some flower charms. Oopsies, I didn't know that. Here, I'm just going to give you a good review so you guys can actually see what it is. This is kind of like a butter slime. It's super cold, and I might have to put some softener or something in it to make it good again. And then there's some beads in it. You don't have to put these beads in because it's already really not stretchy, so. But anyway, I'm trying to perfect it, so that was just a practice. It's not very good, but it's still okay. Okay. My next slime I have one more after this, is a rainbow slime. It comes with all the colors, and it's separated in colors. So there's one watermelon in it, and then there's one rainbow charm in it in the middle. And then there's one like charm in here somewhere. I don't know where the charm is in that color. Somewhere, it's somewhere there. And then I have a charm in the green one. I can't remember what charm it is. I'll just give you a little review. But the slimes are not too stretchy. That's why I'm trying to perfect it. It's not a very good slime. It's just because I didn't really perfect it yet, and this is only like, and I have to use I use a mixer. I don't do hand mixing. on it a lot anymore, like before when I did it a lot. But that was one of them. Okay, my last one I have is this right here. It's a cloud slime. And don't worry about this thing. It's just slime glue. Just using that cover. Then I'm gonna make my own logo on top. So here it is right here. And it's actually a pretty stretchy one. This is a really stretchy one, and I thought it would be cute because it is a cloud slime. So, give me a second. That I should put a mini cloud charm in it. Like that. And I swirled it up. I would suggest this one if you're a cloud slime fan like me. And that was all my slimes. I know they're not good yet, but those will be given an upgrade when I actually perfect it. And when it's really good again. Because before it's just not the best. Because I know, I just started. And I don't only make slime to sell. So, please guys, like and subscribe down below. And please buy some of my slimes. You guys will really like it. And when I have a lot of different kinds, you guys will always want to get them. I think. Anyway, you guys want to hear the joke? Why do seagulls fly over the sea? Because if they flew over the bag, they would be called bagels. Get it? Seagulls, bagels. Okay, and I would rate that probably my cloud slime is the best right now, just because my other ones are not very stretchy and stuff. I'll need to practice it a little bit more. But when I'm done practicing it, it should be really good. Well, when I perfected it. Okay, guys, bye. See ya in my next video. And don't forget to go to my website when it's coming out. And don't forget to comment below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time. Bye.